How to change display name on Discord. Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Tech Academy. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to change display name on Discord. Well, Discord is a free communication app that lets you share voice, video and text, chat with friends, game communities and developers. Now if you want to change your display name on Discord, and if you're wondering how to do that, then need not worry guys, this video is for you. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to change display name on Discord. So without any further ado, let's get into the procedure of changing display name on Discord. In order to change display name on Discord, first of all you have to tap on Discord account. So let's go ahead and tap on Discord application. Now this screen will appear on your phone. Then you have to tap on your small profile icon, which is in the bottom right corner. So go ahead and tap on there. After you're done tapping on your profile icon, you will get your profile opened, and then you have to scroll into the third option that says account, which is just above profile. So go ahead and tap on account. Now under account information, you will see several options such as username, display name, email, phone, password. Since we are going to change display name on Discord, go ahead and tap on the second option, that is display name. Now go ahead and tap on display name and erase the name which is right now, and now go ahead and tap on a new name for your display name. After you're done tapping on new display name, go ahead and tap on save, which is in the top right corner. That's it guys, this is how you can change your display name. As you can see, the display name is displayed as the name which we have changed it into. So this is one of the easiest way to change display name on Discord. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorials like this. Goodbye till then.